Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious curry goat in a crock pot. First, prepare your goat meat by cutting about 2 pounds into 1.5-inch pieces. Next, generously season the meat with curry powder, allspice, fresh thyme, and a bit of Scotch bonnet pepper for heat. Ensure everything is well mixed. Marinate the goat for a minimum of 2 hours, or ideally, overnight in the refrigerator to infuse maximum flavor. After marinating, brown the goat meat in a hot pan for about 5 minutes to develop a rich color and deeper flavor. Then, transfer the brown meat to your crock pot. Add chopped onions and minced garlic, along with about 2 cups of chicken broth. Stir everything together, cover, and cook on the low setting for approximately 6 hours until the meat is tender. During the final 90 minutes of cooking, add your desired vegetables like diced potatoes, carrots, and bell peppers to the crock pot. Next, stir in about 1/4 cup of coconut milk and a tablespoon of brown sugar to enhance the sauce's richness and balance the flavors. Continue to simmer until the vegetables are tender and the curry sauce has thickened to your liking. Serve hot. Your delicious crock pot curry goat is now ready to enjoy. Serve it hot with your favorite accompaniments, such as fluffy white rice, warm roti, or soft naan bread. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro adds a lovely, aromatic finish. For more great cooking tips and deals, check the description below. Also, if you want your car smelling amazing, you'll find a link there for Little Tree's Black Ice Air Fresheners. It's a small touch that makes a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.